You're watching Markets4you, a daily video cast that covers market news and shares trading signals from experts. I'm Andrew Whitelaw. First, the US dollar. The dollar rose on Tuesday after Italy concerns continued to weigh, stimulating safety flows. Gains were offset, however, by Fed Chairman Bernanke's comments that he would be keeping the stimulus tap on. The greenback ended the day at 1.3061 to the euro and 91.97 to the dollar. Today's data includes durable goods orders with a fall of minus 4.7% expected in January. Next to the euro. The euro recovered slightly on Tuesday on talk of a possible coalition forming in Italy, whilst international markets were buoyed by the promise of more easy money from the Federal Reserve. The single currency ended the day at 1.3061 to the dollar and 120.12 to the yen. Today's data includes Eurozone economic confidence, which is expected to rise to 89.9 in February. British pound. Sterling continued to fall on Tuesday after commentary from Deputy Governor of the BOE Paul Tucker, who agreed with the BOE boosting its stimulus measures and thought a weaker pound would aid the economy. The pound ended the day at 1.5123 to the dollar and 0.8634 to the euro. Today's data includes fourth quarter GDP revisions and total business investment also in the fourth quarter. Japanese yen. The yen traded broadly unchanged on Tuesday as Italy's uncertainty continued to support safety flows, and many traders stood aside in anticipation of the announcement of the new governor of the BOJ. The Japanese currency ended the day at 91.97 to the dollar and 120.12 to the euro. Today sees the release of industrial production in January and manufacturing PMI. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you, in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts in the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.312 with targets at 1.301 and 1.299 in extension. Above 1.312, which will look for further upside with 1.3145 and 1.3205 as targets. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.5155 with targets at 1.507 and 1.504 in extension. Above 1.5155, which will look for further upside with 1.522 and 1.528 as targets. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open short positions below 92.25 with targets at 91.35 and 90.8 in extension. Above 92.25, which will look for further upside with 92.75 and 93.1 as targets. Good luck and happy trading. Tune in tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Andrew Whitelaw and you've been watching Markets4you. Have a great day.